Hello math friends, my name is Jordan Sims. I'm going to be your online instructor this term coming up. Thank you very much for taking math online. What I want to do today is I want to show you a quick change that we've made this term. So even if you've done online courses with the college before, what we've done is we're now moving to using Skype for Business. So I'm going to show you how we can access our classes. Okay, first things, I'm going to use a decent browser, Chrome, something like that. Treat yourself to a good browser. I want you to go to nscc.ca. Once you're there, you're going to click on Online Learning and then log in under the Student Access button and enter your W number and password. Now, if you're new to the college, this should have been emailed to you, so let me know if you're having issues with that. Once you're in to D2L, you can select your course from the drop-down menu right here. It'll actually take you into My Home. I'm just going to pick like a random course just to show you, but this will apply to all of your courses. Okay, so when we want to take a class or attend class, everything is in the calendar right here. So you can click this link right now and it shows you every class. So for this Math 10-4-3 class this term, we're going to have classes Tuesday and Thursday at 12:30. Now if you want to join a class, click the entry and try to click the correct one, and there's the link right there to Skype for Business. So if you click that link, give it a second. I have Skype for Business already downloaded to my machine. You can do that if you want to. It makes things a lot easier, and you can see, boom, I'm right there. I'm in Skype right now. Okay. Now, if you don't have Skype for Business, that's okay. Just be aware that it might ask you to install a web app. So just go through the prompts, install anything that it needs to. It's a safe app. It's not going to harm your machine or anything like that. It's kind of from the college. So you can use the web app as well. So don't feel that you have to download the whole suite of Skype for Business or if you're having issues with that. Okay. One thing to note is that when you're logging into Skype, use your W number at campus.nscc.ca. That's going to be kind of your username and stuff like that. Once you get into Skype, looks like this. Let me minimize that for a sec. Looks like this. Here you can turn your camera on or off if you want. You don't have to. The default is no camera. Here's your microphone, so you can mute your mic or unmute your mic. If you click right here in the corner, you're going to see the chat box, so people can type, and you can if you don't have a mic, feel free to answer questions that way. The participant list is right here in the upper corner. You can see everyone who's here. And that's pretty much all you need to know for Skype for Business. This is where we'll be working on math problems together. All of our classes will be recorded, so if you can't make it at that time, don't worry. You can just watch the recordings later. I'll post them in D2L. But I'd really appreciate it if you can find time in your busy day to join us for class. It's a pretty cool, and hopefully you'll get a lot out of it. Okay, so that's how you can use Skype for Business. Other than that, I will see you on our first class, which is going to be in your calendar. So check your calendar for that time and maybe give Skype for Business a try. You can try it right now. If you get it working, no one will be there. But if you're having issues, let me know and I'll do my best to help you. All right, so take care. Thank you again, and I'll see you in class.